Quicken is one of the most popular personal finance tools available, offering a robust platform for managing your money. When you first open the app, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard that provides an overview of your financial health. The dashboard highlights key data such as your account balances, upcoming bills, and spending trends. Setting up Quicken is straightforward. You can link your bank accounts, credit cards, and even investment accounts by securely connecting them through the platform. This enables automatic updates, so your financial data stays current without requiring manual input. Point one of Quicken's standout features is its budgeting tool. You can create monthly budgets tailored to your spending habits, set financial goals, and monitor your progress in real time. The app categorizes your transactions automatically, although you can customize these categories to suit your preferences. It also generates detailed reports, breaking down your expenses into clear visual charts. This is particularly useful for identifying areas where you might want to cut back. Another major feature is bill tracking, which ensures you never miss a due date. Quicken consolidates all your bills into one view, with reminders and notifications to help you stay on top of your payments. The investment tracking tool is a game changer for those managing stocks, mutual funds, or retirement accounts. You can see performance trends, track gains and losses, and even run what-if scenarios to better understand how potential changes might impact your portfolio. In terms of security, Quicken uses bank-level encryption, so your sensitive financial data is protected. The mobile app syncs seamlessly with the desktop version, allowing you to manage your finances on the go. If you're looking to export your data, Quicken provides easy-to-use export options for further analysis or record keeping. Despite its many strengths, Quicken isn't without drawbacks. The subscription model can feel pricey, especially when compared to some free alternatives. However, for those seeking an all-in-one tool with extensive capabilities, it often justifies the cost. Overall, Quicken offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to help you take control of your finances, whether you're new to budgeting or a seasoned investor. Its powerful tools, intuitive interface, and detailed reports make it a leading choice for anyone serious about financial management. Thank you for watching this Quicken review. If you found it helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and financial tips.